Hi everyone, this is Deb and I am doing a call for collaborators every year now for probably at least since 2020 and possibly prior to that. I can't remember, but I have emails here behind this showing that I definitely was doing it 2020, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So this will be 5 years already we've done it, and I'm going to continue it in 2025. A few of the existing participants said they would like to participate next year, so that's great. I would like to have a few more participants, if at all possible. So if you are interested, oh, okay, let me step back. The way this works is every month on the 11th, whatever day that is, at noon Eastern time, which is New York time, I would like a video to go up of any kind of embellishments that you feel like making and any amount. It can be one, it can be 20, I don't care, as long as you make embellishments and have fun doing it, right? And share it with us at the appropriate time and using the, it'll probably be the same embellishments on the 11th. What do you call this thing? Thumbnail. Sorry. Yeah, using this thumbnail. I'm going to keep it the same because people are used to seeing that and it is popular for viewers to watch it. But we seem to be, people sometimes posting, sometimes not. And I understand life gets in the way. And this is a 12-month collab, January through December. And obviously life happens and occasionally, a person might have to leave the collab or, um, take a month off or something. But otherwise, I would expect that people in the collab as regulars um, would post every month on the 11th and pre-schedule your videos. Do it ahead of time, pre-schedule your projects, okay? So this is a call for new regular collaborators. Now, that said, um, if you're someone that would like to participate, but you cannot, already, you cannot commit to every month, I will be opening it to non-regulars as an open collab. So I'm going to have both. I'm going to have, and there will be a hashtag. It will probably be embellishments on the 11th, the number though, to shorten it, 2025. It'll be specific for 2025. And if you would like to play along, you'll be able to use that hashtag. But I would like the video still to go up at noon on the 11th when you do participate. It's not going to be just any time. Some people are doing that anytime during the day, or if you can't do it on that day, no, this is for the 11th. I would like the videos to go up on the 11th, even if you participate as an open collaborator once in a while, or just once, whatever. If you like making embellishments and you're not doing it for collab, consider doing it for my collab. And just let me know because then I can either pin a comment in my video that goes up on the 11th or mention you in my description box if I know you're going to be posting, okay? So that's it. Now, when am I closing this for the regulars? I am going to close this uh, midnight Eastern time on Friday the 6th so that Saturday the 7th or Sunday the 8th, I can send an email out to the regulars, including the ones that contacted me, um, with the formal instructions, a copy of this, electronically, and all that stuff. So what you need to do is comment below this video that you would like to participate and that you will email me and then send me an email. That'll be in the top line of the description box below. It's Dahlia Designs 57 at gmail.com, DAHLIA DESIGNS 57, the numbers, at gmail.com. And just let me know you're emailing me to be a regular participant in embellishments on the 11th for 2025. I would really appreciate it. We would love to have you join if you think you can commit to 1 day a month every month in 2025, and it would 1 day being the 11th, so you'd have to make your stuff prior to that unless you're really fast and can do it on the same day. But I can't because stuff has to dry, like stickles and stuff, I just need time. So I try and do it at least a week ahead of time and schedule it. I don't always, but I try to. And I would suggest doing that as your schedules permit too. I know a lot of you are working. I'm retired. I should have more time than I do, but somehow I'm busy. Anyway, so that's it. Let me know if you're interested. And you can comment even if you're not, like you might participate once in a while or something, and that's fine. Like I said, I will open it up, but I would like to have my regulars be regular still. And if anybody that is a regular that said they would like to participate changed their mind about being a regular, let me know that too by email, please. Because the final regular list will go out, like I said, on the 7th or 8th next weekend, once I have everybody's comments and decisions. And if everybody drops out, I might have to cancel it, which I don't want to do because we all like making embellishments, right? Most of us do. And we have lots of scraps that we can make them with, right? I do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you very much also for being part of my channel. I hope you continue to be part of my channel in December in 2025, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.